In this video, I'll show you how to reset your airbag light that is on your Nissan Rogue dash. Sometimes it's blinking, sometimes it's staying on. Let me show you how to get rid of this problem. So step number one, okay, this works even if you have a start-stop button. Turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch your dash. The airbag light will come on, and when it turns off, turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. We'll have to redo these steps 2 more times. So step number 4, again, turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Check your dash, wait for that airbag light to disappear, and quickly turn the key to the lock position. Wait another 5 seconds, and then again, one more time, turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light. When you don't see it anymore, quickly turn the key to the lock position and wait another 5 seconds. For step number 10, after waiting that 5 seconds, you're going to turn again the key to the on position, but this time you're going to notice that airbag light will flash, but slowly. Wait 30 seconds in this position. After 30 seconds, turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds like that. Then turn the key to the on position. The airbag light will come on, but then notice that after 7 seconds, it will disappear and it will not come back. You have now resetted the airbag light. Now, if this didn't work, I suggest you retry these steps because the number of seconds is very important. And it's easy to make a mistake, so try redoing it. Then check if there's any seatbelt connectors under the seat or on the side of the seat detached. If one of these is loose, this is why you're getting that light on your dash. Finally, if nothing works, I suggest you go and seek a professional help. So go to your dealership or a trusted mechanic. All of them will have a scanner and they'll be able to diagnose your Nissan Rogue. Maybe there's a part that needs to be changed, and since we're talking about safety, this is very important that it needs to be done quickly. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, but also comment down below if this worked for you.